How to pay contactless with Revolut. Hi guys, so in this video I will teach you how to pay contactless in Revolut. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. It's just really quick and simple, so let's go. So this thing right here is an example of a contactless payment in Revolut. Now if you want to do it like this, what you need to do is to just check Revolut on your App Store, Play Store, and make sure that you're on the latest update. If not, you can click the update button once you have done that. Then the next thing you need to do is to head over to your Revolut and then head over to your card. And from in there, you can see this card right here. You can just click on this default for contactless purchases. And once you have clicked on that, you will head over to the settings wherein you can see this disable max stripe payments and all of this card security right here. So what you need to do is to just make sure that this is not turned on so that contactless payment aren't disabled. So once you have done that, you should be able to do contactless payment to Revolut. However, there's a twist in this. Make sure that your phone has an NFC feature on your phone. So NFC feature actually allows you to scan contactless, unpay contactless using your phone. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to pay contactless on Revolut. If you have questions or comments, kindly put in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.